Hello friend, in this video we will discuss Spearman rank correlation coefficient. It is the mathematical method to check a rank correlation between two variables. So Spearman correlation coefficient measure the strength and direction of association between two rank variables. The Spearman rank coefficient of two different variables x and y, and that is denoted by r, and r is equal to, the formula is 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1, where d is equal to the difference of x and y, and then after you have to take it square, d square, and then take it sum, that is a sigma d square, and n is equal to the total number of data are given in the example. So that is a formula to derive a rank correlation between two rank data, and that is a step to calculating the Spearman rank coefficient. First, convert the observed value to the rank. When we are given the actual data, not a rank, it is necessary to assign the rank. So now question is how we can assign the rank. So rank can be assigned by taking either the highest value as a 1 or the lowest value as a 1. And then after find the difference between the rank, that is called a d. Then take it square or d square, and then find the sum of squared difference, that is called a sigma d square. Then write a formula and replace all the values, solve it, and conclude your result based on finding the values of r. So now values of r will always lies in between -1 to 1 for any data. When we calculate the rank correlation, the values should be in between -1 to 1. So now there are some conclusion here. If we get r is a positive 1 for any data, if we get r is a positive 1, that indicate a perfect positive association of the rank. If we get r is a negative 1, that indicate a perfect negative association of the rank. And for 0, that indicate no association between the rank. And now for r closer to 0, that indicate the weaker association between the rank. So this is some conclusion here for the values of r. So now let us solve this example. The data is here about the percentage of the student having the free university meal and their CGPA score. Calculate the Spearman rank correlation between these two data, and then after we have to conclude the result. So data is here. There are 7 university in this first column. That is the percentage of the student having free meals. That is the percentage values. And third column is the percentage of the student scoring above 8.6 GPA. So that is the actual data we have, not a rank. So let's prepare this table, and then after we have to replace the values in the formula. So let's consider x is equal to the rank of the student having free meals, and y indicate rank of the student scoring above 8.6 GPA. So data in the example is there are 7 university, that is the percentage of the student having free meals, and now let us assign the rank. So as we know that we can assign the rank by highest value as a 1 or lowest value as a 1. So here we consider a lowest value as a 1. So here 5.1. So let's indicate that is the first rank. Then after 7.1, let us assign the second rank. Then after 14, so it is a third rank. Then after 15.9, so it is a fourth rank. Then after 27.6, it is a fifth rank. Then after 33.9, so it is a sixth rank, and the last is a 39. So let us assign that a seventh rank. So this is the rank of the percentage of the student having free meals. And now second is a percentage of the student scoring above 8.6 GPA. So let us consider the lowest value as the first rank. So 33 is the lowest value, lowest percentage. So assign to the 1. then after 38 assigned to the 2, then after 45 assigned to the third rank, then after 55, and so on. So this is a rank of the student scoring above 8.6 GPA. And now in the next column we'll derive the D. So D is equal to the difference of x with 5. So take a difference of x minus y. So 3 minus 4 minus 1, then after minus 4 it is a 2, and so on. So this is a D, and now take it square, that is called D square. So that we get 1, 16, 4, 25, 25, that is minus 3 square is a 9, then minus 4 square is a 16. Take it total, so total we get 96, so that is called a sigma D square. And now replace this data in the formula. We have the formula is R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square upon n into n square minus 1. We have sigma D square is a 96. The data is here 7, so n is equal to 7 there. There are 7 university data we have. So n is equal to 7. So after calculating that, we get answer is a minus 0.714. So it is the negative correlation here. So such a negative coefficient of correlation gives away an important implications. The university with the highest percentage of the student consuming free meals tends to have the least successful result. So that is the conclusion based on your answer. That is negative correlation here. Now let us consider second example, that is ICC ranking for ODI and test matches for the 9 team as shown in the below, and that is rank is already assigned to all the team that we need to just calculate the rank correlations between them. So there are 9 team are given here, that is the test ranking and that is the ODI ranking for the team, and we need to first prepare the table. So first column is the name of the teams, that is test ranking, then after ODI ranking. Now that is rank data is already mentioned here. There is no any need to assign the another rank to this each value, that is already rank is mentioned here. So now find a D, that is a difference of x with y, that is the x here, that is the y. So that we get 0, minus 1, 1, minus 3, and so on. Now take d square, that is square of each values, that is 0, 1, 1, that is 9, and so on. And now take it total. So total we get sigma d square is equal to the 20. So now replace this value in the formula. So we have formula is a 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1, and we have sigma d square is a 20. The n is a total team is a 9 there, so n is equal to 9. So solving that, get answer is a 0.833. So we get R is equal to 0.83. It's a positive rank correlation between them. So that is the example of rank correlation data by using a mathematical method.